This module is called kinematics. In particular, it's one-dimensional kinematics. Kinematics gives us a way of describing motion without so much of a concern for the causes of the motion. A while back at a party, I heard a story. It was one of these a buddy told me type of stories, and he said, I heard this super fast police car was able to catch a speeder. The police car was going eastbound, the speeder was going westbound, maybe 100 miles an hour. Supposedly, this police car turned around and was able to accelerate so fast that he caught this car within 1 mile of their initial passing. I thought this sounded a little dubious, and so I started putting some kinematics and mathematics to it. Needless to say, my partygoers weren't particularly impressed with my mathematics, but I'm a physicist, what can I say? These are the types of questions that we can apply kinematics to in order to get an answer. We'll mostly consider ourselves dealing with motion that is a constant acceleration. One of the examples of motion with constant acceleration is free fall due to gravity. So that's one of the class of problems that we'll consider in this unit.